all today. It's beautiful though. Hulk's first snow. Got this lady in a tractor trailer. They got called for a winch out originally, but her truck can't make it. It's too icy right here for her, so she's spinning. Nothing crazy, just a quick winch out. Huh? Your rear drives are not enough weight on the rear, and they're spinning. The more you do that, it's just gonna jackknife you. So just let it be. The plow guy said that it should be good up once we pass this area. So I'm gonna winch you through here, go forward, and then do it again one more time, and it should be good. You know, if you have the pins that go in your front bumper,
Say that again?
the pins, the pull pins.
I don't even know.
Okay, I'll check right now.
This is my first load, and I'm going through all this. Wait, I just dumped that. And they gonna get my free ride?
Cool. You guys gonna block the lane for me so I can set up my outriggers really quick? In the rear. This right here. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I'll walk over there right with you.
So far, I left them, you know, where we're not going nowhere. There's that car behind me.
So release the brakes, all of them, everything. looks like fun. Alright, Hulk, we got this. Go figure, man. My Freightliner pull pins, I must have lent them out. They're not on my truck, and of course she doesn't have hers. It's alright. Hey bro, you think once she gets right here, it'll be okay?
Yeah, I think if you get her back tires of her tractor right there, she should be alright.
That's my goal, is right here.
Get some of those rocks under there, she should be good. Hopefully hook them back up here somehow. That's how it's dumped everything.
You know, I had to pass a road closed sign to get up here.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I know I'm saying, were these people even allowed up here?
No, they're just driving around. So if they crash and
Because I
they
seen
try to claim
that.
insurance, they're not going to pay it.
You have to go around the big old sign in order to get up here, and I was like,
Did you
oh
come
man.
down that way? Or
Yeah,
down
down there.
Yeah, we got it closed on both ends. One day, right?
They're paying me, I don't care.
Exactly.
And Warner's
Yesterday,
a big company, so I'm not scared. Almost done. I love the same line. Obviously, Big Flipper's got the 6 winch lines. But for Hulk, this will do. Plenty. Brakes. Try going forward right now by yourself. Good. So I'm gonna disengage everything, put my truck away, and you'll just follow me. Once you start getting traction, don't hit the brakes or anything. Just keep going forward. It's clear on here out.
Go over in this lane till you get it.
Good work, Hulk.
Yeah, I'll move up and I'll block the road.
Thank you, man. Oh man, it's ice wedged in there. Whew. It's getting hot now. Oh, this is cool. I might just pull over when I'm done and have myself a little snow day. To keep a clean and organized truck, to not only put your chains away carefully, but it's to put everything where you got it from every single time. Perfect. Oh, I gotta show off the new Milwaukee M18 fuel saw. Can't wait to use that bad boy. Hindsight's 2020, but I should have used my drone for this, man. Oh, I might later. Everything's put away. Now she's gonna follow me. Like I said, from here on out it should be good. And then it's a couple miles to the freeway. So we'll just keep it in low gear. Come on, lady. Perfect. Perfect. Pound it. Okay, well that was fun. It took me 3 times longer just to get here than the actual job, but that's cool. Time in, time out. I'm done with the video here. When I get a cool spot to pull over, I'm gonna actually bust out the drone. I keep it in the hold permanently. Peace out, y'all.